Okay.
Hello, hello, mic check. Mic check, tiray ma. What's up, what's up? Dong ora ka tiray?
Ayo amat. Naka-shave ka pa.
Oy, dagan na kayo sa
Sound check, may sound check.
Ray, baliw ko sa headset, Ray.
Headset. Sound, sound. Sound. Wala headset, wala headset. Sound, sound, sound. Sound.
Dalang ko mag-mic. Okay lang, mic. Madungog.
Headset, headset. And live mga ka-Asenso, Dri sa Asenso Covered Court. It's our first Mayor Samico Asenso Barangay Cup Round 2 sa ato ang Rural Division Games. It's between Barangay Poloyagan and Barangay Bogo. Winner takes all for tonight. Round 2 pa man good. Ang mudaog ani mo advance sa round 3. Round 2 sa ato ang play-in. 2-0. Ayun. Kusog ra ang tingog.
14 seconds to shoot.
Ayun. And back to our game. Barbon, corner pass. Jumper missed. Mansueto missed. Ihara. Jumper, yes sir. Uy, Ihara. Regards daw mong lalab nga si Aryan Ihara. Wala siya galantaw karon. Oliva missed that baseline jumper. Ihara now to Tano. Driving towards the basket. Tano with the left hand. Mintis. Shout out kay George. Nga bagong alot. Bago ba yung shape? Oh. And ball is lost. And stolen now to Tano. To Barbon, off the glass, and it's good. Mind you mga ka-Asenso, ang Mudaog ani will advance to the third round of our play-in period. Ang Mapildi will say goodbye. And it's 8-0 run for Barangay Poloyagan. So winner takes all ta sa ato ang play-in, no? Ang Mudaog mo advance gyud sa next round, ang Mapildi goodbye Pelepens na gyud. And Bogo takes a timeout as they trail by 8. And an 8-0 run for Barangay Poloyagan. Oh, shout out kay Sheila Del Socorro Husay. O kang George Amis nga bagong alot, bagong shave. Ugway uyab, asa, murag taong grasa. May yung nakay uyab, pirme George, kay limpyo, kay katanahon, pirme. George, you belong to the group na sa mga spooting, oh. Oh, nakasapatos ka pa. Polo shirt na lang kulang nimo. Ako driver naman ko ninyo. Senyor Aguila. 8-0 run for Barangay Poloyagan. Good start here. Isa daw ganina. Isa daw. Bomba. Okay, congratulations sa Barangay Bomba. And number 4 lost that ball. Barbon steals it. 2 against 3. Muntika pa nabitawan. Tano recovers the ball. Driving, sidestep, lays it up. And another miss for Tano.
Out of bounds.
Amakanin. Humuwad is blocked from behind by Tano. And Bagalando is there for the putback. Bogo finally scores their first basket after almost 4 minutes of the ball game. And now Tano. Good screen by Barbon. Double cross. Nakalusot sa gitna. Ehara with a jumper. Missed. Rebounded by Oliva. 3 against 2. Oliva to Big Bo. Umararo. Yes sir by Big Bo. This is round 2 play-in period para sa Rural A ni sila, no? Rural B? Rural B. And Tano hangs it. Can't get it to go. Big Bo with the rebound. Now to Amakanin. Back to Big Bo. Umararo na naman. And this time, may foul na itinawag. And a shout out sa tanang mga naglantaw karon live via Asenso Sports Channel, especially sa mga taga-barangay Bugo ug taga-barangay Puloyagan nga naglantaw karon. Shout out kaninyong tanan. Thank you and keep supporting your barangay for this game tonight. Ano na siya? Big Bo nails the second throw. And Puloyagan takes a timeout as they lead by 3 points. 5-0 run naman para sa Barangay Bugo. And congratulations di guys, no, sa sa Nidaog sa atuang first game. Barangay Bumba. Second game ng Barangay Bumba. Karon unsa day first game? Kisen Daog. Congratulations to Barangay Baluybuan for winning and advancing the second round, while sa second game nato Barangay Bomba versus Barangay La Suerte. Congratulations to Barangay Bomba for advancing the next round, and this time Puloyagan versus Bugo. October to Barbon, back to October. Karon ng birthday ano niya ba? Castor driving towards the basket against heavy traffic, missing that layup. Amakanin is called for a foul as he tried to strip the ball in the hands of Mansueto.
First foul, first team foul. Barangay Bugo.
Now to Castor. To October. Mid-air decision to pass it, but recovers. Barbon is there sa ilalim. Oliva over Amakanin. Drives, balik kay Oliva. Heavy traffic, basket, that's by kasama pang foul para kay Oliva.
Foul jersey number 7.
Dapat kuan pod energetic po na to tingog karon kay tagakay na good.
Barangay Puloyagan.
It's a do or die game for both teams. So whoever wins it claims the spot for the next round. Shout out Elijah Cabayaran, Marilo Benitez ug Jenny Limpag. Castor now to Octubre. Inside Barbon, fakes, tinuloy, basket, and a foul! Abat, bumawi naman ang Barangay Puloyagan sa and 1 points.
Foul jersey number 19, Bagalando. First personal foul, second team foul, Barangay Bugo.
Barbon missing it. And now Oliva, humuwad, outside Amakanin, drives, di nakalusot, balik kay Oliva sa labas. Now to Big Bo, Luzon, left hand miss, Rebounded by Tano. 1 against 3. Tano, no look pass para kay number 18. And scores. Castor. James Yap kay number 18. Amakanin, nakalusot si Amakanin. Pinasa kay Humuwad sa gitna. And Humuwad scores. Four-point lead, Barangay Poloyagan. Barbon over Octubre. Now to Castor. Balik kay Octubre. Corner 3. No good. Humuwad with the rebound. Now to Amakanin. Oliva all the way missing that layup. Big Bo, nice pass para kay Oliva. Mintes na naman. Mansueto gets the rebound. Now Tano lays it up with the left hand for Barangay Poloyagan. And foul call against October.
First personal foul for FIFA. Barangay Poloyagan. Substitution.
Barbon will check in for Octubre of Poloyagan. What a pass there inside. Kinapos ng talon si Luzon. Unable to catch that pass. Castor all the way off the glass and missed. Mansueto, the putback. Yes, sir.
Mansueto.
10-5 run for Barangay Poloyagan. Big Bo for 3. Missed. Tano again with the rebound. Pass break to Barbon. 1 against 2. Barbon is fouled.
Foul jersey number 23, Amakanin. Second personal foul. 13 foul. Barangay Buko.
Barbon too strong for that first free throw. And second throw, Mintes. Rebounded by Oliva. Heavily guarded by Tano. Ayun, bagsak silang dalawa.
Foul jersey number 23, Tano. Penalty.
Tano will sit down. Be replaced by Ihara.
Jersey number 23, Tano.
10 ang score.
Personal foul.
18-10. Na Ray, 11. Oliva, another miss. Rebounded now by Castor. Castor, nice pass para kay Barbon.
Seconds to play in the first quarter.
Poloyagan with a 9-point lead. Oliva to Amakanin. Seconds to play in the first quarter. Amakanin back to Oliva. Open 3. Bang! Oliva hits it from downtown. ...30 seconds. Castor to Barbon. Balik kay Castor. 10-second shot clock. Inside Ihara. Turnaround jumper. Kapos. Humuwad with the rebound. 15 seconds game clock. Now to Oliva. Speeding his way towards the basket. And it's good.
.4 seconds remaining.
And that will do for our first quarter. 4-point lead Barangay Poloyagan.
City Council.
And this quarter mga ka-Asenso is brought to us by City Councilor Sam Tyraco.
Second quarter.
Second quarter.
Foul jersey number 60. First personal foul. First team foul. Barangay Bugo.
Si Raima sa score.
21-16. Pass intercepted by Octubre. Mansueto fakes, drives, fires, miss. Grabe ang talon ni Tano. Parang lumulutang sa ere, parang nagkape pa sa ere si Tano even if it's a rebound. Mendiola lost that ball. Tano sidestep fake pass, ganda. Pero Mintes ang catch ni Barbon. Octubre to Barbon, fakes.
Stepping on the line.
Ayun, no, na-stepping pa.
Shot clock 11 seconds to shoot.
Mendiola. Traveling violation by Mendiola. Kasala pag yun, oh. Octubre to Tano, bounce pass inside, reverse layup. Too strong. Barbon with the rebound. Falls away. Mintes pa rin. Against heavy traffic, number 16. Isa man eh. Steps back. Mendiola fires, miss. Octubre now to Tano. 1 against 2. Tano, nabitawan pa ang bola. Recovers it. Pass intercepted naman by number 16. And he is fouled. Pite. Pili doon ng 16. Igara.
Foul jersey number 10. Second personal foul.
Segara.
First team foul.
Sigara.
Kay Buluyaga.
Barbon. Balik kay Tano. Pumuesto. Drive. And lays it up for the left hand. Miss na naman. Kita. Kumusta ka na? Segara with another rebound. All the way. Yes, sir. Finally making a point after 2 steals. 3 steals di ay. 21-18. Barbon over Octubre. Inside Tano. Good feed. Mansueto sa ilalim. Yes, sir, on the baseline. Fast break. To Villa. Runner no good. Tapi ka ng bola. Nakuha pa niya ang rebound but stolen by Barbon sa baba. Now to Octubre. Sa gitna. In and out. But he's fouled.
Barangay Buluyaga. Foul jersey number 20. First personal foul. Second team foul. Barangay Bugo.
And back to our ball game from that timeout. 23-18. Lamang pa rin ang Barangay Puloyagan. Sai. Sai. Villa. Over Menjola. Cross court to number 8. Fakes. Drives. Outside Menjola. Steps back. Balik kay Lalikan. Turn around. Tinapos sa oras. Shot clock violation. Octubre now to Barbon. Inside Barbon. Supalpal from behind by Segara. Good timing there by Segara. Anticipated. Kaayo niya ang tira ni Barbon. Luparan na sa likod. Octubre. Corner 3. Mintes. Kapos ang tira. Villa with rebound. Strip and stolen by Octubre. Inside pass sana para kay Mansueto. Mansueto is not ready for that pass. Ayun, di nasalo. Out of bounds. Turnover. Bola mapupunta sa Barangay Bugo.
Out of bounds.
Di pod palupig ang Bugo. Turnover pod sila. Tano. Driving. Heavy traffic. Supalpal na naman by Segara. Pangalawang block niya ngayong gabi. On the same person, that was Barbon. And Segara scores it. Bantay pare kay si Segara ni Barbon, no? Octubre. Bumawi agad si Octubre. Six-point lead, Puloyagan. Ooh, miscommunication by Villa and Menjola. Octubre naman against 4 blue shirts. Barbon driving, another block by Segara. Third rejection of the night on the same man. Tano, no look pass. Barbon wasn't ready for it. Turnover. Out of bounds for Barangay Puloyagan. Segara, tatlong sunod-sunod na block on the same person by Barbon. Lalikan. Umararo si Lalikan. Lalikan. 26-22. Puloyagan up by 4. October. Now to Barbon. Over Barbon sa ilalim. Did not rejected this time but missing that hook shot. Villa naman ngayon. Tulalikan. Umararo na naman. But there's a foul.
Number 6, Octubre.
Castor will replace Barbon.
Barangay Puloyagan.
Lalikan. Di makalusot. Ayun. Umararo. Ilalim naman. Miss again. Segara. Rebound. Fades away. Miss. Mansueto now to Octubre. 1 against 4. Octubre all the way for that floater. Menjola, long 3. Too strong. Rebounded by Lalikan but he's fouled. Grabe na, daghang salamat sa mga supporters sa Barangay Bugo o Barangay Puloyagan. Sa mga naglantaw diha live via Asenso Sports Channel. Thank you very much. O especially sa mga nag-effort yun gamuanhi diri para mosuporta sa ilahang barangay. Daghan kaayong salamat mga ka-Asenso, daghang salamat mga Pagadianons. atong hugyawon ang atuang first Mayor Samico Ascenso Barangay Cup. Lalikan, another miss. Mansueto with a rebound. Now to Tano. Spin move. Tano driving. Wasi-wasi pa, sayang. Castor. Jumper is good by Castor. Segara is fouled. 30-22. 1 minute and 38 seconds remaining in the second quarter.
First personal foul or deep foul. Barangay Puloyagan.
Nice cut. No foul called. Humuad, traveling violation. Oktubre. To Castor. Inside Tano. Pass anticipated and intercepted by Villa. Kitang-kita ni Villa yon. Menjola. Balik kay Villa sa ilalim. Pass trip. Out of bounds. Jump ball. Ball will remain in Barangay Bugo. Lalikan. Ganda ng pasa sa ilalim. Lumabas. Falls away. Salindo. Gahulat po ng talikod. Oh. Castor with a step back. Inside feed. Oktubre is fouled.
Foul jersey number 4, Uwan. First personal foul. Third deep foul. Barangay Bugo.
Bounce pass sa ilalim. Tano. And Tano finally scores. Salino with the ball. Almost stolen. Humuwad to Villa. At inabot ng 8 seconds violation. 15 seconds left for our second quarter. 1 second differential between the game clock and the shot clock. Castor driving, passing it to Oktubre sa corner. Oktubre fakes, drives to Barbon. 3 seconds violation. Called against Barangay Puloyagan. 5.6 seconds left. Pass break to Humuwad. Inside to Minjola. Nagbintis pa ang buzzer beater shot, but that's the end of our second quarter. 32-24. Puloyagan on the lead. And this quarter, mga ka-Ascenso, is brought to us by City Vice Mayor Attorney Boy Balaleng Fernandez and Crossover Designs PH. forastero ni mga prime lens. Kaya hindi na maglisod sa mga dagko na urban lens. Waak, napapicture ko pa na. May mapicture niya ba? Mga commission photos niya. Mga sa opisina o sa katong ba? Dili na sa opisina, sa studio? Dili, good man to. Itong gigamit nila pag-discuss na mo ganila. Ang giganahan akong maayo katong sa kuliagan niya nga picture. Ito bitang beach, bitang nga sunrise. Ito picture kay makita ng rays sa sunrise. Waa lagi kayo. Sa kaniya. Sound check. Sound check. Ray magwapa. Uy, sound check Ray, nay tingog Ray. Na walay tingog. Sound check Ray. Ray, sound check Ray. Ray ma. Sound check, sound check. DJ na tingog. Ang headset. Aw lagi. Castor for 3. Bang! Anak ko oy. Wa man na shot.
Banga.
Magani bang anak ko oy. Mo bang na unta ko ning gawas pa man ang bula. Humuwad. Passing it inside. Castor recovers the ball. Now to Octubre. Tano. Tano, ako na lang. And a follow-up by Barbon. Ninggawas man ang bula. Muhingon ang takog bang. And Bagalando. Hindi pa nasalo. (34-24), 10-point lead Barangay Poloyagan. Castor. And stolen by Amakanin. Amakanin driving in the lane. Passing it to Humuwad. Jumpers not good but is fouled. Humuwad. Oh. See?
All jersey number
Up next mga ka-Asenso, Barangay Lumbia versus Barangay San Pedro. Their last game of tonight. No, sa ato ang Urban Division Games.
acknowledging the arrival of our league convener, Mabon, Lance, 4-30.
Octubre misses that catch, gets out of bounds. DJ Jabs na. Oh, lagi. Oliva outside the Makanin, fakes that wing, and a 3 seconds violation. (34-24) pa rin, lamang pa rin ng 10 ang Barangay Poloyagan. Now to Tano, guarded by Makanin. Tano, nice speed inside to Barbon, reverse layup is missed. Amakanin with the ball, 2 against 2, nice pass, Oliva sa ilalim. Castor to Octubre, driving, stops outside Tano, di makalusot, forced shot and he's fouled.
All jersey number 7.
Di sa ako kabasag comments karon mga ka-Asenso ha, kay gi-charge ang akong cellphone.
First down.
So shout out na lang sa mga nagpa-shout out diha tanan. Especially sa taga Barangay Bugo o taga Barangay Poloyagan nga naglantaw live via Asenso Sports Channel. Big shout out sa inyong tanan. Di sana ako mabasa inyong comment kay ga-charge akong cellphone. Tano second throw. Taking his time. And it's good. Now Oliva. Offensive foul called against Oliva as he extends his arms for that intentional bump. Castor, Tutano, no look pass inside Barbon, basket at my foul. At nadapa pa si Tano. Timeout called Barangay Bugo as they trail by 11 points.
13 foul, Barangay Bugo. Timeout, Barangay Puloyagan.
This timeout, mga ka-Asenso, is brought to us by LSC Corporation. Bono.
Bonus free throw for jersey number 10, Barbon.
Ayun, may foul. Foul called against number 16 of Puloyagan. Kinsa man ni 16? Si Lugas.
Second personal foul, second team foul. Barangay Puloyagan.
Oliva, outside the Makanin. Balik kay Oliva. Driving. Tubagalando. Humuwad. Umatake sa gitna. Missed. Oliva with a follow. His bump. Bagsak si Oliva. Off balance ang follow up ni Oliva. Motong dali ra kay siya natumba.
Barbon. Third personal foul. Third team foul.
And thank goodness he's safe.
2 shots for jersey number 5, Oliva.
Napay tingog. Oliva hits its first throw. Uy, shout out dahil ko sa pinakagwapa diya sa live control, be. Ngisi na. Kuya Jabs. Leave it ay shout out ako sa pinakagwapa diya sa live control kay wa may lain si Rai Majesty. Og pinakagwapa po diri sa among table, Cyrus Tuwal. The only thorn among the roses. Si Sai kay the only flower on the desert. Ay kabala ka ray kay nakay cactus sa imong tupad. Oktubre. Runner no good. Tapi ka ng bola sa itaas. Agawan ang bola sa baba. Bagalado wins it. Oliva to humuwad. Good pass sa ilalim para kay humuwad. Yes, sir! 6-point lead na lang para sa Barangay Puloyagan as Lugas passing it. Basket and a foul for Mansueto.
Foul jersey number 7. Second personal foul for team foul. Barangay Bugo. Bonus free throw for jersey number 7, Mansueto. Stepping on the line.
Shout out Jobs. DJ Jobs. Pass too strong for Oliva. Suko si Oliva kay di daw kasalo. Taas baya kay kagpasa. Kauron. Joker kay Kahap. Oktubre. 31-39. Now to Castor, taking his time. Castor to Tano. Spin move, driving. Ball straight from his hands by Humuad. Recovers it and scores. What an effort there by Tano. Oliva to Humuad. Agawan ng bola.
Out of bounds.
Steps on the line.
Shot clock.
Lugas.
12 seconds to shoot.
Ooh, what an interception there by the yellow shirts. Tano. Now to Castor, guarded by Oliva.
Shot clock.
Lugas. Sidestep, he's fouled.
Foul jersey number 7.
Shout out kay Tano, nga look-alike ni Bungabong. Or shout out ni Bungabong, nga look-alike ni Tano. Chat Tano to nako. Mumawag sila tanawa si Tano. Tapos Bungabong. Nakaputi yung cellphone. Lugas. Overman Sueto. Pull up jumper off the glass. Mintes. Tapi ka ng bola. Octubre. Fakes. Another fake. Another miss. Tano with that follow up. Wow. Tano nagkapi sa ere for that follow. Oliva. Driving. Foul call against October. Matay ginis Tano. Og sakto lang ning timing na yang layat. Kaya man niya idang. Again mga ka-Asenso, pasensya di kay ko kabasa og comments karon ha kay kuan charge akong cellphone. Sige, awayo na po ko ninyo. Ayaw taon. Amakanen nails the 3 for Barangay Bugo. Cuts the lead to 10. Castor behind the back. Over Octubre. Pull up jumper. Inabot ni Humuad. Ganda ng supalpal ni Humuad. Now to Big Bo. Oliva. Good team effort for Barangay Bugo. Unselfish play. And another steal. Oliva this time. Now to Amakanin. Stops. Nabitawan. Oliva recovers. Falls away. No good. Castor with rebound. Ayan. Bite.
All jersey number 23 Amakanin. And personal foul. Two shots for jersey number 18 Castor.
Castor missed his first throw, second throw. And entering to zone. Oliva. Over Amakanin. Now, Segara, spin move under the baseline, no good. Oliva recovers that rebound. Big Bo, bang! Big Bo hits a wing 3 for Barangay Bugo. Offensive foul called against. Offensive foul, then foul si Tano.
Second personal foul, penalty. sideline uniform.
Tuhog na yung gani pastor noon. Taka raw kag istorya niya. Oliva. Driving. Yes, sir. At kinaliwa ni kinaliwa ni Oliva. Oktubre. Castor for 3. Bang! Ah, may pa-flex pa si Castor. 1, 2, 3. Amakanin over Big Bo. Corner 3, no good. Tapi ka ng bola, out of bounds. Ball goes to Barangay Poloyagan.
Remaining time for the third quarter, 1 minute.
Castor na naman, no look pass. Mansueto, what a shot! Eight-point lead for Poloyagan. Amakanin is hustled. Driving, nice pass, intercepted by Tano. Out of bounds, Tano. Ball will remain in Barangay Pugo. Balik sa 8 ang lamang ng Barangay Poloyagan. Amakanin, 33 seconds left. Humuwad, ball straight from his hands. Agawan na naman ang bola. At humiga. At isakyan. Kaswit ba sa duha? And now Castor, 2 against 2. Castor hangs in the air, missing that layup. Octubre with the recovery. Second chance is good by Octubre.
5 seconds.
Kaswit ba ni Amakanin og Mansueto eh? Igdag kalit si Amakanin. Yaban ni Mansueto. Ah.
This quarter is called to Yuba. City Marshall.
Sana all. Ten-point lead Barangay Poloyagan as we enter our fourth quarter. Big ball with a wing 3. In and out. Mansueto with the rebound. Oh! Ang sakit nun. Barbon is fouled. Bagsak naman ngayon si Barbon. But there's a basket. Oliva kumain ng siko. Wag ito tuyo agad kay naagyod siya sa landing zone ni Mansueto sa iyahang siko. Oy, shout out kay Hindoy nga Galantaw live. Ingna si Bungabong nga look alike niya si Tano. Oh, magtakilid pa mo, yung si Bungabong oy. Oh, as Bungabong oh, tanas Bungabong. Si Tano. Ang nawawalang kapatid. Lalika now to Villa. Oliva. Corner pass. Big Bo. Fakes. Drives. And a foul.
Foul jersey number 18. First personal foul. First big foul. Barangay Poloyagan. 2 shots for jersey number 22. Luzon.
And Big Bo hits his first throw. Second throw. And it's good. Barbon. Over Tano at inabot ni Oliva ang pasa na yon. Now to Lalican. Against Mansueto. Lalican is fouled.
Foul jersey number 7, Mansueto. Third personal foul, second team foul. Barangay Puluyaga. 2 shots for jersey number 8, Lalican.
Ihara will check in for Mansueto. Lalican hits his first throw. Second throw. Mintes. Tapi ka ng bola. Humuwad wins it. But stolen by Barbon. Now to Barbon. 2 against 3. Barbon all the way sa gitna. Mintes. Castor. Fakes. Against 2 defenders. Castor, what a play.
Jersey number 18, Castro. Warning for delaying the game.
Ayun, may warning for delaying the game para kay Castor. Hatag lagi din ang bola. Oliva drives. Basket and a foul for Oliva.
Foul jersey number 10, Barbon.
Still a 10-point lead for Puluyagan. Di pa rin makahabol ang Barangay Bugo.
Bonus throw for jersey number 5, Oliva.
And Oliva completes that 3-point play. Barbon. Over Tano. Crosses over. Tano driving. And an offensive foul called against Tano.
Jersey number 23, Tano. Third personal foul. Substitution.
Lalican will sit back on the bench. Now Oliva. Corner pass, Amakanin. Nabitawan ang bola. Humuwan is there to save. Mintes ang tira. And out of bounds. Ball will remain in Barangay
14
Bugo.
seconds, shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot.
Timeout, Barangay Puluyagan.
Barangay Puluyagan.
And this timeout, mga ka-sensor, is brought to us by City Councilor Marjorie Revelo Cero.
This timeout is brought to you by City Councilor Dr. Priscilla Vicky Fernandez.
Shout out kay Patrick. Og ni kisa ganina ni kisa ganina ta pa ni Patrick. Ni Nel ang kagibunshin ng PCIC. Pinakabanggiitan daw mo drawing sa PCIC. Renel Segara. Oh, international client. Unsa man hintay? Hi Jonathan, ingon si Saysay. And back to our ball game, 56-47. Still Puluyagan is on the lead. Amakanin, three-pointer. And he is fouled from beyond the arc.
Foul jersey number 6, Octubre. Fourth personal foul, 3 shots for jersey number 23.
Akong Usbon, di pa ko ka-shoutout sa inyo mga comments kay gi-charge pa ako cellphone. So, later na lang ha. Pasensya kayo, ay lang sa mo pangaway ron. Migo bitaw ta. Amakanin. Pangalawang tira, Mintes. Amakanin will take 3 free throws here as he's fouled from beyond the arc. And third throw, Mintes pa rin. Castor with the rebound. Castor. Backcourt violation by Castor. Good defense here for Amakanin. 56-48. Lamang na lamang pa rin ang Barangay Poloyagan. 56-48. Big Bo too strong. Humuad and he's fouled.
Foul, jersey number 40, Bangabon. Second personal foul, penalty. 2 shots for jersey number 4, Bukuan.
Dua sila ka Barbon. Upat to jersey number 10.
Humuad. Second throw, Mintes pa rin. Tano. Gilayatan ng kauban. Amakanin for 3. Castor with the rebound. Hinahabol ni Oliva. Castor behind his back. Tries to cross. Di makalusot. Now to Octubre. And Octubre from the baseline. Oliva, pull-up jumper. And he's fouled by Mansueto.
Foul, jersey number 7, Mansueto. Fourth personal foul, penalty. 2 shots for jersey number 5, Oliva.
Mansueto committing his 4th foul. George, alas 3. Imong fans alas 3. George, fans ni mo alas 3. Alas 3. Oh, alas 9. No, alas 9. Digital, magod ako naandan nga rilo. Tano is double team but is fouled by Bukuan. Timeout called by Barangay Bugo as they trail by 8 points with only 6 minutes and 14 seconds left in the 4th quarter.
Back to the ball game.
And back to our ball game. Poloyagan up by 8. Bugo trailing by 8. Castor. Behind the back again. Nakalusot si Castor. Mintes ang tira. Rebounded by the blue shirts. Now Oliva. Ball slip from his hand. Stolen sana by Octubre. Kaso may foul.
Foul, jersey number 23, Amakanin. Fourth personal foul. 13 foul. Barangay Bugo.
Castor to Tano. 50-58.
5.
Tano! Basket and a foul by Tano. What a drive!
Foul, jersey number 11. William. Second personal foul. 14 foul. Barangay Bugo. Bonus throw for jersey number 23, Tano.
Poloyagan with no fouls to give while Bugo still has 1.
Wait.
Tano with a nice rebound. Balik kay Mansueto and it's good. Under the basket. 4 points agad for Barangay Puloyagan. Oliva. 3-pointer. Kinapos. Amakani with the rebound. And yes, sir! Now, Octubre. Octubre hangs in the air. Basket pa rin para kay Octubre. Despite having a defender, what a steal by Octubre! 4 straight points for Octubre. Wow, good effort for Octubre and Amakanin diving for the ball, not giving up for it. Sana all hindi nag-give up. Siya, dali ra kay nag-give up. May pa si Octubre og si Amakanin. Wa gyud nag-give up. Bahalag nagkamamo.
Barangay Puloyagan, no timeouts remaining.
Puloyagan with no fouls to give and no timeout remaining. Both teams no fouls to give, but Bugo still has 2 timeouts. Naghahabol pa rin ang Barangay Bugo. And back to our ball game. Mintes ang tira. Octubre. Tutano. Recovers. Spin move. At nilabas. Sayang. Highlights na ito ba? Amakanin. No look pass inside. Segara is fouled.
Foul jersey number 23, Tano.
Say. Say.
Fourth personal foul.
Pang-apat na foul ni Tano. 66-53. 4 minutes and 5 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Bangga pa yun. Castor! What a turnover there by Castor. Tumama sa paa. Oh. Hindi pala paa ni Castor. Paa ng kalaban. Tano. Octubre. Bounce pass inside. Mansueto! Heavy traffic! At napa-timeout ang Barangay Bugo with 3 minutes and 49 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Back to our ball game from that timeout by Barangay Bugo. Now Oliva. Balik kay Oliva. Driving. Mintes. Mansueto with the rebound. Ball will remain in Barangay Bugo.
10 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot.
Oliva fires from the baseline. In and out. Ooh. Barbon flying for that rebound. Now to Castor. And Mansueto still another. Castor oh. So ko is Castor dapat daw mutuyok na to. Dagan daw Mansueto. Kay aron kuan on daw sakto man pod kay advance man ang pasa ni Castor good. Segara for 3. Miss. Oliva with the rebound. Follow up. Mintes. Tano with the rebound. Bounce pass to Octubre na bakante. Yes, sir! Trap defense for Barangay Puloyagan. Now humuwad. Almost lost it. And humuwad, bumawi agad. Barbon. Balik kay Octubre. Balik kay Barbon. Fakes, fires, miss. Oliva, 2 against 2. Nabitawan ang bola. Stolen by Castor. And stolen by Oliva. Tano, muntikan pang tumama ang ulo sa ring. Tano. Huling 2 minuto ng laro. Stolen by Abakanin. Will Barangay Bugo have a chance to recover? Humuwad with a layup. Yes, sir! 10 lang ang lamang ng Barangay Puloyagan. We still have 1 minute and 25 seconds left in the fourth quarter. Octubre taking their time. Castor inside Octubre, out of bounds. No pressure defense here for Barangay Bugo despite trailing by 10 points. Sayang. Amakanin drives. Ayun. Under a minute to play. Castor is fouled.
Jersey number 5, Oliva.
Huling timeout ng Barangay Bugo with 53 seconds left in the fourth quarter. Bugo trailing by 8 points.
53.6 seconds.
This timeout mga ka-Asenso is brought to us by Crossover Designs PH. Kung magpa-layout mo sa inyong mga jersey, uniform, polo shirt, t-shirt, jacket, long sleeve, warmer, i-message lang ninyo sa ilang Facebook page, Crossover Designs PH. Siya o jersey? Oh. Oh. Castor, second throw. Mintes, Tano, high flying rebound. Outside Barbon. Castor fakes and he is fouled again by Oliva this time.
Personal foul. Penalty. 2 shots for Jersey team.
Good decision there by Oliva fouling Castor, struggling from the free throw. Castor with another miss. Anga brana. Pangalawang tira ni Castor. And nails it this time. Amakanin is fouled by Castor.
Jersey number 18, Castor. second personal foul. Penalty. 2 shots for jersey number 23, Makati.
Amakanin missing his first throw. "43 seconds. At Minentes, good decision there. Big ball for 3. Mintes, Oliva with a save. Yes, sir, sa gitna. And now, Castor over Octubre. And Octubre is already fouled. Basket counts for Octubre.
Foul jersey number 4, Bubuan. Fourth personal foul. Bonus throw for jersey number 6, Octubre.
28 seconds left. Octubre. Will they extend their lead to 10? Missed. Tano with the rebound. Almost stolen from behind. Tano! And missing that wasi-wasi layup. Oliva is fouled by Castor.
Foul jersey number 18, Castor. Third personal foul. 2 shots for jersey number 5, Oliva.
16 seconds left. Oliva miss. Whoever wins this game will proceed to the third round of our play-in. Entering the zone. Puloyagan smelling their victory tonight.
Seconds.
And congratulations to Barangay Puloyagan for advancing the third round. 73-64.
Final score. 73.
Thank you very much, Barangay Bogo, for participating this first Mayor Samico Alceto Barangay Cup. And congratulations to Barangay Puloyagan for advancing the third round. Up next, Barangay Lumbia versus Barangay San Pedro.
Head coach and captain boss or any representative proceed sa office. Ay magsugod na ang meeting. Daghang salamat. Next game, Barangay Lumbia versus Barangay San Pedro, Urban Division.